Welcome to the video. I appreciate you passing by. If you're new, which is cool, this is just gonna be a raw talk. And I got bullet points written down in front of me of what I actually want to bring over. So we are going to talk about how to boost your confidence and positively impact the people around you, personally and professionally. Now, I'm Guillaume and I live in Belgium, and I don't want to stay here in Belgium though. It's kind of bad weather. I actually want to move to Italy soon. But as of now, I've quit the army and I've pursued my passion for coaching people into amazing shape and mindset. I mainly help career-driven men or entrepreneurs who lost their physique and mental clarity on their way to financial success or climbing the corporate ladder. Basically, it's just neglecting, or in a way sacrificing, their health, as in their body and their mind, now living a quite unbalanced life. Now, I'm here for balance and simplicity, and this counts for every single thing that I do. I know and understand that balance at some point is not really applicable if you want to achieve something in life. But I believe that even in self-improvement, you can achieve balance, as in your body and your mind, as it's evenly hard just to become the best version of yourself. If you have the guts to pursue an unbalanced life and achieve something, you have the same guts to chase a balanced life and achieve the same amount of success, but balanced in body and mind. So you can have, a confident physique and a respected body paired with mindfulness and presence. And this all is not just for yourself, not just for physical appearance. It's with the attention so other people can look up to you, becoming a role model that they can actually follow or look up to. Now, how can you become more confident? To be honest, it is just with taking action. There is nothing outside of you or your world or whatever you are. You cannot outthink, you cannot outperform confidence. It is taking action, and it's an inner work. And that inner work will first start with being actually honest with yourself. Being honest with your word. If you tell your partner, friends, co-workers, family that you're gonna be this person, you're gonna get in shape, you're gonna become more mindful, you're gonna do this and that, but then you seem to be too busy with other stuff, you seem to be distracted, you seem to just not take action, and that will tear down your confidence. Because they will remember you telling them that. And even though if you don't tell them and you do it for yourself, you start lying to yourself. And that's where the real problem lies, and that's when your confidence just declines. And basically you're just stacking losses on top of each other. Taking action is habits. So you need habits that will shape you into becoming a confident person, but you can never outthink or outperform it. You have to be fully consistent with workouts, mindful eating, meditation and reading. Simple habits, simple stuff, but not a lot of people do it. These habits will get you into a muscular, confident and clear thinking man. You can handle problems. If any problem comes to you, you're clear-headed. You can tackle it on the moment itself. Is it within your control? Go ahead. Is it not within your control? You don't even mind. You can lift heavy stuff because you have a body that is not only for the looks or the attraction, you can actually use it. It's actively fit. And you're not really triggered by anything because you're mindful of your state. If someone says something to you that you don't really like, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't trigger you. After this consistent inner work, as in performing these habits, regardless of how you feel or how you think, you will automatically resonate confidence, dedication, discipline, motivation, just becoming that role model. You will gain respect from other men without having to say any single thing. When I was in the army, right, we had this new platoon, right, all new people coming into the formation, the education, the whole weeks that were ahead of us. Everyone was no one. Doesn't matter who you are, how attractive you are, it doesn't matter. These are all new people, including me. And the only way that you gain respect from the whole platoon is when you show up consistently and you don't fuck up the whole group. Because if you don't do something good, everyone gets punished and they'll know it's you. So you gain respect by showing up consistently, on time, doing the things that need to be done and helping other people. You gain respect by doing the inner work Showing up regardless of how you feel and how you think. And after this intense training, you immediately see who got it in them and who doesn't have it together. Some people appeared really confident at the start, but throughout the process, you get to learn them, and that fades away really quickly. So this confidence and this respect does not come from wanting it. You attract and resonate it when you do this inner work. You show up on time, you get out of bed and you don't hit snooze. You do your habits and you stack these small wins on top of each other. And you focus on yourself and you try to improve every aspect of your life. And people will start admiring you. And don't forget the impact on your career or your business. Your health is improved, and this confidence will give you a lot of leverage. It will enhance your leadership skills and overall just the growth that you have within your career. You start to understand what real work actually is instead of just being busy. Also just the way how you behave yourself verbally and non-verbally. It's in a totally different setting. This cannot be forced because it's just who you are. And who you are the habits that you're performing on a day-to-day basis. And most importantly, the habits that you perform when no one is watching. You gotta practice seeing yourself from a third perspective. What habits are you actually doing? And how do you react to things? Analyze every little move and mindfully wonder that the decisions and the habits that you do, is it actively getting you towards your vision, or is it breaking yourself down? So all these small wins that you stack upon each other from the moment you wake up and consistently performing these habits, regardless of how you feel or how you think, this will compound into you becoming incredibly attractive, lean, muscular, and confident, whilst having a present mindset, not being triggered by the slightest thing, and just thinking rationally, not emotionally. You think long term. Doesn't matter how you feel right now. You base decisions rationally. You see, there is no secret. It requires work, that's for sure. To be honest, it's actually pretty simple, but it's the consistency which is hard. Because excuses, as in thinking, overanalyzing, being busy, or just not the right circumstance, these are the sole reason why you are not the man you're supposed to be. It's right in front of you, but you're just not willing to push through. And the thing that you so desperately want is on the other side. It's literally waiting for you. If you want to connect, stay motivated, or see what routines I do, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It was good talking with you guys, and I appreciate you passing by. I hope the video was valuable. The community is growing slightly every single day, and I love it. It's this compounding effect. So if you want to be a part of it, go ahead and subscribe. I'll do my best to educate you guys and get you guys to move with the right information. So, all right, cool. See you on the next video, and bye-bye.